In this video, we'll talk about generating your references page. We're back where we were, where we did our searches earlier, and we'll step into ProQuest Central first. I still have the citation information up on the screen. I'm going to highlight my citation, and I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to open up a Word document. I have a Word document already started up. To create a references page in APA formatting, first thing we need to do is put the word references at the top of the page. I'm going to fix all the formatting once I've put all the information onto the page. I could do it piece by piece, but sometimes it's easier, a little more efficient to do everything in one shot. I've moved down a notch here. I'm going to right click and I'm going to drop my my first citation into things. I'm using the merge formatting. It's important to use this merge formatting, the middle of the three icons. Sometimes if you use the other formats to bring things in, everything won't come in quite properly. So please use the merge formatting version. I could use keep source formatting or text only, but merge formatting will give me everything that I need. So use that one. I'll click to make it actually happen here. I'm going to go back out to the web and go to my second citation. I got this one from EBSCOhost, from Academic Search Premier. I'll highlight this one, APA formatting again. I'll copy it. I'll take it into Word. I'll move down one more notch and paste that one in. Now if I don't use the, here we go, merge formatting. So now I have my two citations in here. Now I noticed that when I used the enter, it turned on the hyperlink for this, and I want to remove the hyperlink. I don't want a hyperlink in my references page. Now the principles for a references page: you need to have the word references at the top. It needs to be centered on the page. Your two citations are in alphabetical order. They're double line spaced. They have hanging indentations. Hanging indentation, the second, third, subsequent lines are pushed in a little bit. Right now we don't have all the formatting we need, and we're going to fix the formatting real quick and easy. Firstly, references, probably the easiest thing to adjust. Up here in paragraph, the little centering icon here, clicking on that will move that right into the middle for me. For our citations, please folks, do it one time. You don't have to do it for each individual one. You can do it all in one shot. Again, save yourself some time. I'm going to highlight both of my citations. Off of paragraph is a little drop down menu, this little arrow pointing down. Clicking on that opens up this pop-up window. Indentation, this is where I set that hanging indentation. I don't want any extra indentation left or right. They should be set to 0. If they're not, set them to 0, but I do want a special indentation. I want a hanging indentation. So I'll use the drop down, click on hanging. As far as the spacing goes, I want double line spacing. I don't want anything extra. Right now it has some extra here for the after part, so I'm going to drop this down to 0. I want to be 0 before and after, but as far as the line spacing goes, I want double line spacing. Nothing but double line spacing. So I should have 4 zeros, the word hanging, and the word double. I'm going to click on OK. Now it has formatted everything for me. Alphabetical order, currently my two articles are not in alphabetical order. I can fix that again with the sort tool up here, the A to Z button. Clicking on that will again bring up a pop-up window. I should be set to paragraph. I am not sorting by anything else but paragraph. That's kind of how Word thinks of each of these citations, these individual citations, as a separate paragraph. And I'm sorting by text. I'm not sorting by number or date or anything else, just the letters. And I do want it ascending. I want to go from A to Z. So I should see paragraph, text, and ascending. Click on OK, and it resorts things for me. The last thing I need to do is make sure everything's in the same font style and font type. So I'll highlight everything from the top of references all the way down. And you need to use a standard form. Times New Roman is commonly used. We'll use Times New Roman here, and we'll set it to 12 point. Times New Roman 12 point font. And here we have our citation page all ready to go. Save it, include it with your Lab 7 material, and you should be good to go.